Good morning from the National Weather Service here in Pocatello. My name is Carter, and this is your Southeast Idaho weather hazard briefing for Wednesday, December 13th. Courtesy of high pressure overhead, we're going to see seasonally warm and dry weather continue through the weekend with precip on the way for next week. I'll be breaking that down for you this morning. Key points we're going to focus on today: high pressure will remain in place through the weekend. What that means for us is seasonably warm and dry conditions with some areas of dense fog, particularly during those overnight and early morning hours. We'll see temperatures see a warming trend through the weekend with above normal afternoon highs starting around that Friday, Saturday time frame, with potential record highs in the Stanley Basin as well. Precipitation chances will return for the early and middle parts of next week. Details are a little bit fuzzy at this point, but I'll be showing you some of those scenarios later in the presentation. Quick look at satellite for you this morning. Again, shown there is these brighter colors. It's going to be widespread areas of low stratus extending from the Pacific Northwest through the northern Rockies into the Great Basin. We are seeing some areas of very limited visibility out there this morning, especially as you head further southwest towards the lower Snake Plain, Magic Valley, south down towards Utah. Certainly something to keep in mind if you're headed out the door this morning. A look at the bigger picture. Again, high pressure will be in control. We got a departing system to our southeast, bringing some heavy snow down into Colorado. But overall, got a bigger system working into the Gulf of Alaska, strong low pressure system, bringing an atmospheric river of moisture up in that area. But we should keep things mostly dry into our area through the weekend. As far as some increase in cloud potential as the later part of tomorrow goes, may see a little bit of that moisture working up and overhead. But overall, things will stay nice and dry. Weather has got look for your next 5 days. We'll just focus on some areas of patchy dense fog, both today and tomorrow. But other than that, it should be mostly quiet weather through the weekend. Temperatures today, single digits above and below zero in the morning, with warmest areas in those teens and 20s. Afternoon highs comfortable for this time of year in the 30s till mid 40s. For your Thursday, not a whole lot of change there. Cool morning with some patchy dense fog, followed by afternoon highs in the 30s to mid 40s. And for Friday, this would be that big transition that we're talking about. So as far as getting the potential record high temperatures as you head up towards the central mountains. But overall, another cold morning, but followed by those afternoon highs in the 30s to mid 40s. And for Saturday, just keep that warming trend ongoing. Another cool morning, followed by those afternoon highs in the 30s, 40s, and even some low 50s potentially, some of our lower elevations and across the central mountains. And by Sunday, we'll keep that trend going. Nice quiet weather through the weekend. Afternoon highs again in those 40s and 50s, potentially in the Magic Valley. Coldest areas in the 30s. And here's a look at some of the potential solutions heading into next week. So again, this is a look at the ensemble models for both the GFS and European. Now, these ensemble models run in multiple simulations from slightly varied data conditions or using different model physics. So it kind of gives us a best outline of some potential case scenarios. But as you can see here, we'll keep things nice and dry through at least Monday, Tuesday next week. Maybe a slight chance of a system then, but models begin to show some increasing agreement around that Wednesday, Thursday time frame, potentially later in the week as we head towards Christmas, on the fact that we should see some more return to some active weather. 6 to 10 day precipitation outlook does keep us again below normal favorite precipitation across southeast Idaho, a little bit more near normal to above normal chances as you head further south and west. 6 to 10 day temperature outlook, we were talking about those potential record highs, and with that we got a big dome of high pressure leading to widespread above normal temperatures across the lower 48. 8 to 14, start to see that influence of some increasing active weather building in out of the west coast into our area. So as far as the 8 to 14, the 20th through the 26th, taking you through Christmas, we'll see increased chances for some precipitation and some potential for some at least more near normal temperatures. And with that, temperatures wise, we'll see temperatures slightly cool, but still staying at least trending above normal for that 8 to 14 outlook. And that's about all I have for you this morning. If you have any comments, questions, or concerns, please feel free to send us an email, give us a call, or check out some information on our website. Have an awesome Wednesday and stay safe out there.